In today's viral trend spotlight, a zero-waste breakfast turns scraps into stars by transforming peels, stems, and stale bits into toppings. The host showcases quick techniques like zesting citrus into syrup, reviving wilted greens into chips, and turning yesterday toast into crunchy croutons. Each step is narrated with playful energy, inviting viewers to pause, remix, and share their own edible upcycles. The camera zooms on sizzling peels caramelizing, a blender whirl of greens, and a board of colorful, compost-friendly plates. Fans are asked to post their thrifted pantry hacks with a shout-out prompt so the trend grows beyond the screen.